The word we'll be learning in this section is 恥ずかしい, which you will often hear in situations like feeling shy at a party, being embarrassed during a speech, or when someone compliments you. The word 恥ずかしい means feeling embarrassed, shy, or ashamed in English. It's used to describe situations where someone feels a sense of awkwardness or embarrassment. It can also be used more broadly to express modesty or being self-conscious. The first kanji means shame or embarrassment and carries the idea of feeling dishonored. In the word hajiru, it expresses the internal feeling of being ashamed and shows how the character names that emotion. In the word hajishirazu, it points to the absence of shame, so the kanji helps describe someone who lacks that feeling. The character therefore centers any word around the concept of shame or disgrace. I felt embarrassed. 私は恥ずかしいと思った。私は恥ずかしいと思った。He is embarrassed. 彼は顔が恥ずかしいです。彼は顔が恥ずかしいです。I am feeling very embarrassed. 私はとても恥ずかしい気持ちです。私はとても恥ずかしい気持ちです。This is an embarrassing story. これは恥ずかしい話です。これは恥ずかしい話です。The most common synonyms of the word 恥ずかしい are tereru and hajiru. Tereru is often used in lighter contexts, capturing the feeling of being shy or bashful. Hajiru, on the other hand, emphasizes a deeper feeling of shame or moral embarrassment, often in more serious contexts. The most common antonyms of the word 恥ずかしい are jishin and daudau. Jishin refers to having confidence or assurance, grounding the feeling in self-belief. Daudau suggests boldness and a commanding presence, reflecting an outward projection of confidence and poise.